Okay, Pearson, it's that time. Intermission. Be prepared to pause your screen in 3, 2, 1. And we're back, Pearson, to our December 2020 sharing assembly. I'm your MC, Andrew, and we have another cheesy joke. Hey, Rachel.
What, Andrew?
What did the judge say to the angry advent calendar?
I don't know. What did the judge say to the angry advent calendar?
Your days are numbered.
That's a knee slapper.
What a knee slapper.
6HP has prepared a dance film entitled Isomiley. The film's title is a play on the idea of the possible emotions experienced during group isolation. In dance, the grade 6s studied the choreographic process and used various pieces of literature as inspiration to learn set choreography and create solo pieces. The dancing is paired with an original soundtrack created by 6JC and their instrument music classes.